Just do something. I'm hungry.
You're on live now. So, babe. You're on
No,
live.
don't do me.
It's on live.
Do yourself, baby. Do
So
it.
you will stop eating. So you will stop eating.
Do yourself some stuff. Do left, do right, do something.
Kasi, it's already fall on the floor. Why you eating that fell off on the floor?
Yeah.
You're on live.
Why are,
Probably
you,
ain't gonna have a lot of views.
why are you inside my ass all the time? Just do
You're gonna
something.
get, because you're eating my food. You ate all the food.
Do something else.
Because you ate all my food. And you don't eat like that before. You're always like, I'm on a diet. Whenever I buy some food, you don't eat it.
Oh my god. You're inside my ass. I have never had anyone inside my ass like that.
Inside, I'm not inside your ass. I'm live. He's eating. He's eating the body now. Say hello, my my. Say hi, my my. Babe. Hi, Syra. Hey, Melanie Tamboong. Yes, he is eating again. Syra said, eating again. He's eating again.
Hey, do something else.
Oh, I'm doing live. You said do live. I'm live right now.
Let me.
Huh?
Let me.
You didn't say not you.
Don't do that. Yeah. Hey, it's not good. I'm serious. Okay, I'm doing like you. I'm doing it. Right. Next. I want to do that like you.
You're alive. Babe, say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say
You
hi.
ate your food.
Say hi.
Oh, hello. You're in live. Babe.
Eden.
Hello.
April.
Yeah. He's doing live too. He doesn't want to be. He doesn't.
Madam Lucia.
He doesn't want to be filmed. That's why. That's good. He stopped eating.
Hello. Madam Lucia.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
What are you doing? Baby, you're doing live.
No.
Is it? Babe, really? You're doing live?
Yeah.
Dang, what are you doing? Babe, what are you doing? I'm not even live. I'm not even live.
Madam Lucia. But I'm live.
Oh, you? I'm gonna post this one. Sige. You're on live. I'm gonna post it. Bye-bye.